All right, what's going on? How y'all doing? Right back at it. We got another banger video, guys. So as you guys been knowing, we've been doing lately a lot of 240 stuff, and so all the people, new people, this is our 5.3. We have a Zanki 240 SX that we're going to be putting it in, but let's start this video off right away with, we have a brand new TriggaSpec product. All you guys don't know, TriggaSpec is my performance company I own, and this is our technically considered our cold side turbo kit, or our intercooler kit for the LM7, LS1, LS3, and a few other LSs. But yeah, all the smaller LSs this kit works for, and this will fit your S13 and S14, all of them pretty much, since it's all the same. So right off the bat, you guys can see it comes with all the pipes already welded, ready to go, bent, nice welds on them. Blow off valve is connected. Kit also comes with a 50mm blow off valve, all the extra parts if you want to add this, since this is already on it, but whatever, this kit comes with it. Your spring, all your hardware for the blow off valve, you get all your couplers that you need, the big one to the throttle body, to the pipe, turbo, etc. pretty much all this stuff. You have 4 pieces of pipe that you're going to be utilizing. We have this fatty 4-inch intercooler. It's an air-to-air intercooler, so this is included. And then we have this bar and all the bracketry that you're going to be using to mount this to the front of the car, and then all of our clamps. So I'm going to show you guys step by step how to install this. But yes, this intercooler piping kit is going to be $950 shipped, guys. And there isn't too many out there on the market. There's obviously a few, but they're not to the quality of this and not done up for the power. So this setup with this 4-inch intercooler, you're guaranteed good to 800 or 900 horsepower, no problem. After that, you're going to want to upgrade the tubing and stuff, but typically for a street use car, like, this is perfect. So if you guys are interested, let me know. $950 shipped to your door, comes with everything you need. So we have removed our bash bar already, which is right there, and we have the front end of our car open. So we're going to be utilizing pretty much these tacks, like these bolts right here, with these bolts right here where the bracketry connects. So your intercooler sits right there, and then the piping goes here. I'll show you guys how to install it, but yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an idea anyways, and we'll slowly start installing the setup. Super sick, and sorry, this literally just got here and I pulled it out of the box and I want to make the video, but all of them will say TriggaSpec on the intercooler as well. So super sick. This is the car with the hood down, obviously the lights and stuff missing, but super cool. Anyways, if you guys are interested in this kit, you guys already know, you can hit me up either at my main account or the company account TriggaSpec. Place an order for a kit. Typically lead time is about a week, so be patient. But yeah, and then it will say TriggaSpec on the cooler as well, on the intercooler. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It is a sick montage.